Hey guys, so for this video, I'll be showing you how you can make the ElevenLabs voice sound more natural. So first, let's go here to text-to-speech and then just type in here whatever you want to generate, but I'll just be pasting a text here. And then let's just go here over to the right and then click on voice and then just search for natural. And then we have a lot of options here, so you can just listen to the voices and choose whatever suits you best. But for now, I'll be choosing
Inside the blue of the
Ryan.
inside the blue of the ocean is the world's calm.
So over here, we have Ryan as our voice, and then I'm just going to adjust the settings over here.
I'm selfish, impatient, and a little insecure. I make mistakes. I am out of control and at times hard to handle. But if you can't handle me at my worst, then you sure as hell don't deserve me at my best.
So it's as simple as that. You just also have to make sure that you've added some symbols and some marks on your text to make it sound more natural. So it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.